Welcome to the tutorial explaining the new relation types feature of Accurity. This new feature is all about connecting business terms together in ways that better represent business models in real life. The connection between two business terms can be done as soon as writing its definition. Use the Add Chip button to add direct references to already existing business terms into the definition box. Alternatively, open the complete list of business terms in your business glossary. From there, you create a connection by dragging a business term from the list and dropping it into the description box. You can notice that adding a reference chip also automatically created a connection between the two business terms in another section of the business term detail. Similarly, you can connect two business terms without making a mention in the definition box by pressing the plus button and choosing the desired term from the list. Notice that each connection has a relation type. Relation types define what the relationship between any two business terms is and is chosen from a drop-down menu to the very left. The default relation type is related to. This simply means that when operating with a business term, you should keep in mind there is a connection to the other one. Parent of and contains are hierarchic relations. Parent of communicates that the connected business term is dependent in meaning on the parent business term. Contains turns the edited business term into an umbrella term for every other term connected this way, and that those are merely elements of the umbrella term. Synonym of and replaces are relations denoting equivalency. Synonym of can be used when, for some reasons, your company needs to express the same thing, for example a reporting metric, in several different ways, which is often the case with multi-domain regulatory reporting. Replaces relation informs of the connected term's obsolescence, even though it is still being used somewhere for the time being. Lastly, calculated from is mainly used for terms representing results of numerical equations, where connected terms are representative of individual parts of that equation. By hovering the mouse cursor over the connected business term selection space, you can see its brief definition. If you want more detail to any connected business term, use the button between business term selection space and relation type drop-down to open the desired connected business term. Now you know where to find the business terms referenced by the one you are editing. To check which other business term are referencing the term being edited, scroll down and click the Reference By button. It displays relations between your business term and others from the opposite perspective. You can see which business term is this one a child of, or which business term is this one used to calculate. Thank you for watching the tutorial on how to use the new relation types feature. In case you want to know more about relation types or another feature of Accurity, click the Help button in the top right corner to open the Accurity user guide. If you have any feedback about Accurity, feel free to contact us. We wish you smooth and efficient use of Accurity. Goodbye.